Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI Gorillas YouTube channel. I am Jeff using a voice bot named Jeff LOL. This video aims to provide an educational and comprehensive overview of neural networks and their applications in artificial intelligence. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are modeled after the structure and function of the human brain. They are composed of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information and make predictions based on the data they are trained on. One of the most well-known applications of neural networks is image recognition. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are a popular type of neural network used for image recognition tasks. They are trained on a large dataset of images and their corresponding labels, such as dog or cat. After training, the CNN can be used to classify new images into the appropriate categories with high accuracy. In addition to image recognition, neural networks are also widely used in natural language processing, NLP, tasks, such as language translation and text classification. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, are a type of neural network commonly used in NLP tasks. They are trained on a large dataset of sentences and their corresponding translations, and then can be used to translate new sentences from one language to another. Neural networks are also used in a wide range of other applications, including predictive modeling, recommender systems, fraud detection, and even self-driving cars. They are a fundamental component of artificial intelligence and play a crucial role in its development and advancements. The architecture of neural networks consists of input, hidden, and output layers. The input layer receives the input data, while the hidden layer processes the information and passes it on to the output layer. The output layer produces the final prediction or classification. The weights and biases of the neural network are adjusted during the training process in order to minimize the error between the predictions and the actual labels. There are several types of neural networks, including feed-forward neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and deep belief networks. Each type of neural network is designed for a specific type of task and is optimized for that task. For example, convolutional neural networks are designed for image recognition tasks, while recurrent neural networks are designed for language translation tasks. The training process of neural networks involves adjusting the weights and biases of the network so that the predictions made by the network match the actual labels as closely as possible. This process is usually done using gradient descent, an optimization algorithm that iteratively updates the weights and biases in the direction that minimizes the error between the predictions and the actual labels. Overfitting is a common problem in the training of neural networks. Overfitting occurs when the network becomes too complex and starts to memorize the training data, rather than generalizing to new, unseen data. To prevent overfitting, techniques such as early stopping, dropout, and weight regularization can be used. Neural networks have been used in a wide range of applications and have been shown to be effective in many of these applications. For example, they have been used to classify images, translate languages, and make recommendations. As the field of artificial intelligence continues to advance, it is likely that neural networks will become even more powerful and versatile, leading to even more innovative and groundbreaking applications. In conclusion, neural networks are a fascinating and important area of AI, and they have a wide range of applications. They are modeled after the structure and function of the human brain and are composed of interconnected nodes that process information and make predictions based on the data they are trained on. Keep watching the AI Gorilla YouTube channel for more educational content about artificial intelligence. Please like and subscribe for more of the best information in the world of AI.